William Ruto kulia kwikia Saii Itina wa mwai na syumwa kauta ngusanisyo kukonya kuvitukithwa na kuthukumithwa kwa mutalatala wa kinandu wa 2024. viu.President William Ruto Niwesa kuthiuua yisilya na oomba utee mutalatala wonthe kumanwa kila, waweta, Enenthi, nimaleanile naw'o viu.President Ruto nthini wa kikalo na ayumbe ma Kenya Kwanza State House ni wathingilila no kutwaisya uneni na muika wa Gen Z kukonya utongoi na meikalile maundu ma ukwati na mathie manthi kati wa sindu ingi kivathukanio meatianio ya ulana na finance bill ilovi na kaundi ingi yithite kana etiete andu aingi yo matena mthayu na amana mangi matena hana mena maumisye mai ni livoti yake Benjamin Mwaka.
Mutea na muto wa maandamano ma mwika wa Gen Z vamwe na Enenthi kuliana na umo kunena ni wa kuvitukithwa vamwe na kwikiwa Saii kwa mutalatala wa kinandu wa mwaka wa 2024 weso tuma Itina savali ndasa. President William Ruto etikila wendu wa Enenthi na kwichetheka mutalatala na muno kumanwa na kiutani cha maandamano ma Enenthi kila kinavuilie miakoni ya mbunge kwi iyo.
And listening keenly to the people of Kenya who have said loudly that they want nothing to do with this Finance Bill 2024, I concede, and therefore I will not sign the 2024 Finance Bill, and it shall subsequently be withdrawn. And I have agreed with these members that that becomes our collective position.
Kwigwetheka kwa mwiao kuimanisha yumbunge no evuti ivengezi yonthe ila vivanie kuongela nthini wa mutalatala mukuu wa kinandu wa mwaka wa 2023. President William Ruto waweta uneti na kwithwa chumwa kivitu anetikanite na ayumbe kumba utee ivenge mbingi mutea. Enenthi ni mawetie kwa wasya mukaliku kana mutalatala wonthe mweu ni muthuku na mathisa uwitikila. President Ruto na ulo aneneti na kikalo cha masaa kauta na ayumbe ma Kenya Kwanza nuwalumilelia nukutwaisya kikalo na mwika wa Gen Z na kuonya ulo wa maundu kuthukanyo livo kukonya utongoi na umwe ukwati wa nthi vamwe na undu wa kuthinikia mathie manthi kati wa maunenanya angi kivathukanyo.
And I am therefore proposing that because we have gotten rid of the Finance Bill 2024, it is necessary for us to have a conversation as a nation going forward. How do we manage the affairs of the country together? How do we manage our debt situation together? How do we work on the budget with the deficits that now exist together? And as I committed last Sunday, I will be proposing an engagement with the young people of our nation, our sons and daughters, for us to listen to them. As I said on Sunday, listen to their views, listen to their proposals, their ideas, their concerns, and what they think we should do better as we go forward.
Ni watetea muno muungamo wa yumbe make kuvitukithia mutalatala wa kinandu mbungeni waweta serikali thi na mivango kauta ya kimaendeleo na undumwa na kwailia sekta kauta syavata kwisila ukolanywa koti mweo wa silingi bilioni 386 na yunu watangasa mamilioni ma mbesa budgetini ya ofisi wake munini wake na miviani kuthukonya ya serikali mavetangwe na kulia ngava ila ingi sya serikali thivo mbunge koti na serikali sya mitiuko siati moloto.
I am directing for immediate further austerity measures to reduce expenditure, starting with the office of the President, the entire presidency, and extending to the entire executive arm of government. Operational expenditure in the presidency be reduced to remove allocations for the confidential fort, reduce travel, hospitality, purchase of motor vehicles, renovations, and other expenditures. This will cover the entire presidency and also the executive arm of government.
Na kuyanana na President Ruto no andu thanthatũ manatiwe ni thayu kumanwa na maandamano ama kwi iyo na andu ala misio yo ikunekie nimekuivwa ngalama ni serikali.
On my own behalf and on behalf of these members and many other Kenyans, I send my condolences to the families of those who lost their loved ones in this very unfortunate manner.
Vilingi wa mauvo kumava kauntini ya Ilovi. Nitawa Benjamin Mwakamu.